Once upon a time, a man came to see Buddha. He seemed very depressed. Buddha asked him the reason. The man said, "Oh Lord, I am going through mental agony due to problems in my life, and I don't know how to solve it. Situation is getting worse and worse." He asked Buddha, "Please tell me that why I suffer a lot and why it happens to me." Buddha listened to the man with patience and said, "Well, tell me one thing. Suppose you are walking through a forest. Suddenly, someone fires an arrow at you. You are hit by an arrow which really hurts you. It is very painful and you feel that physical pain in your body. You remove that arrow from your body and try to relax. But then, suddenly, a second arrow comes from somewhere and hit you at the same place in your body where the first arrow hit you. Now tell me that, do you think the second arrow will be even more painful than the first arrow?" Man said, "Yes, Lord, the second arrow will be even more painful. Its pain will be unbearable." Then Buddha said, "You see, my friend, in life, we can't control the first arrow, which are the painful events and experiences, like losing our loved ones, getting failure, getting aged, and contracting disease, etc. We have to bear the pain of first arrow. However, second arrow is our reaction to the first, which is to judge, which is to criticize ourselves, which is to become angry, which is to frustrate and to hate others. The first arrow is due to our past karma, which we have performed in the past. We have no control over it. We have to bear it. Whereas the second arrow is optional. The first arrow represents a pain which we all have to go through due to inevitable problems in our life, whereas the second arrow represents suffering which we cause ourselves by reacting negatively to it. You cannot save yourself from first arrow, but yes, you can save yourself from second arrow. Always remember that pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. After listening to these words by Gautam Buddha, the man's face lit up and he understood the difference between pain and suffering. If we see in our life, we will find that this happens to all of us. Anytime in our life, we suffer misfortune. Two arrows fly our way. The first arrow is the actual bad event, which can indeed cause pain. The second arrow represents our reaction to the bad event. The second arrow is the suffering we cause to ourselves due to worrying too much, by getting frustrated, by feeling guilt or regret, by blaming and criticizing ourselves or others. We start feeling bad about our situation, and thus suddenly we start feeling even worse. We need to avoid the second arrow, which is in our hand. Only then we shall be able to prevent ourselves from more pain and harshness. Therefore, whenever you are going through difficult times in your life, always remember that pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. This is Words of Wisdom, inspirational story. Thanks for watching.